Day 229 of coding, and today I actually installed NeoVim. Yeah, I finally decided, to start learning NeoVim, and I installed LazyVim on top of it. So far, it's I can understand why people have horrible stories about Vim, but it's good so far. And the project that I made, it's one of from the boot dev. So the boot dev, I actually completed the two courses, the introduction course on Python, and then the Learn Linux. And the third course is actually like a guided project on a BookBot that actually calculates the total characters and the total words inside a book. So that's a project that I kind of working on, and so far I think I actually just gonna work on a few more stuff, but other than that it's completed. If I open the main file and then I open a terminal, so mod write terminal, and then if I run the program, we can see like there's total of 75,767 total words, and how many times each character and symbols have been repeated. So it was a great project actually. And yeah, that's for today. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna finish this project and I'm gonna start learning the Git. Yes, the next course is learn Git on the boot dev. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day.